This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.
Jumbo jumbo, hello to you awesome person from wherever you're watching this video from. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. Thank you for clicking into this video. I really appreciate it. If it's the first time you're coming across my channel, I go by the name Joy's World, and in this channel I do natural hair videos, beauty videos, cooking videos, and lifestyle, anything lifestyle. If that's the kind of content that interests you, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And you, my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for stopping by again to watch this video. Please be sure to like, share, and leave a sweet comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Yeah, I'm so excited about this video because it's a hair video and I love doing hair videos. I shaved like 6 months ago, and since I haven't been very consistent with hair videos, because what much can you do with short hair? So I do the minimal that I can, but look at my hair. We are braiding the hair, meaning it's all grown, guys. It's all grown and I'm excited about this. So today's video is a hair video and I'm so excited about this video. And with braided hair you can come up with so much styles. These are box braids, short box braids, because I was trying to do like a long bob. Yes, I did my hair like 2 weeks ago. My braids are now 2 weeks old and I feel it's time to let them go. But before undoing my hair, I thought why not show you ways on which I was styling my short box braids. Yeah, so that is what the video is about. To start with, if you want your style to come out well, if you want your hair to look neat, however much bad it looks, guys, make some gel your friend. For me, I love using this green Eco Styler gel. I've tried different types of Eco Styler gel and trust me, this is the best. This one or the red one, the one with a red lid, it's awesome. It's awesome for me. So first thing I do to my braids before styling is lay my edges. As I'm shooting this video, it's in the evening. I'm just from work and I felt, no, let me do a video for you guys because I'm about to undo these braids. So I had laid my edges, but as you can see, they're not well laid. So I'm gonna go in with some Eco Styler gel and lay the edges. We want any hairstyle to come out so well when you're styling your hair. Make sure your edges are well laid. I'm just gonna do this really quick because we don't want to waste a lot of time laying the edges. If you want to see how I lay my edges, I have a detailed video on how you can lay your edges. I'm gonna do this super fast. Nothing much with the edges because it's at night and I ain't going nowhere after this. I'll go in with my olive oil and just spray my hair just to give it a little bit of shine. That's done. Our hair is now very ready for styling. So let's go to style number 1, guys. So the first hairstyle that I've been rocking my short box braids with is a very simple style. You'll even be like, why is she showing us that style? Because it's super easy, guys. And let me show you how you do it. So I'll just part my hair at the side like this and just make sure that this part falls on my right side like that. Just make sure you put everything together to look neat. And that's it. That's it, guys. Look at that. How beautiful is this? I so love it. This is my style number 1. For style number 2, I'm just gonna tuck this side of the braids backwards. Just make sure they're well organized as you tuck them, because you want to look neat, you don't want to look shaggy, guys. For this part, I'm just gonna take a braid from this other side and another braid from this side and just make a knot to make sure that the hair I've tucked in doesn't fall off. Easy guys, super easy. This is the second way of how I've been rocking these short braids. Let's go to style number 3. So for style number 3 guys, I'm just gonna take this side of the braids and just do the same thing I did with the second style. This side, I'm just gonna tuck these braids to form something like this guys. Just make sure everything is tucked in together well. Then I'm gonna use this tiny hairband to make sure I bring this tucked side with this other tucked side, and then just use the small hairband to hold the hair together. Just like that, and that is style number 3 guys. For style number 4, I'm just gonna drop the hair like that and then hold this center part of the braids. Use a scrunchie to hold this part of the hair like that. Then make sure you spread the braids like these guys, and that's it. Let's move to style number 5. I'm just gonna hold this here, then make a bun like this. Make sure all the hair is well tucked. Then I'm gonna use this hairband and just hold all the braids together like so. Look at that. That is style number 5. I'm feeling this style because I think it's awesome. Drop a comment, let me know what you think about this style number 5 guys. Let's move to style number. For style number 6 guys, I'm just gonna leave this bun here and then I'm gonna tuck this hair like this. Tuck this other side like so. Again, I'm gonna use a scrunchie to hold the hair at the back. That's it for style number 6. So for style number 7 guys, I'm just gonna part this hair at the center like that. Then hold some hair from the front side here and again use a scrunchie to hold the hair like that. Then I'm gonna do the same for this other side. And there you go guys. So that's style number 7 for you guys. Super easy, just use a scrunchie. Let's move to style number 8. For style number 8, this is gonna be super easy. This is super easy. What you wanna do is take this hair and just make a bun. Make sure you roll the hair nicely and be gentle with your hair because you don't want to pull your hair. I'm gonna use a scrunchie to hold. Then I'm gonna do the same for this other side. Just make a bun. Then I'm gonna use this hairband and use this other one to accessorize like these guys. I love it. I love bands, so I love this style, guys. For the next style, I'm gonna hold this part, front part of the braids, leaving the back side. And I'll be using a hairband to hold the hair. And that's it for this style, guys. Next style, this is super simple. I'm just gonna pull out a braid like so and pull out another one like so to hang there, and there is your next style. For the next style, I'm just gonna pull out a braid like this and turn it at the back, then pull out another braid here, take it to the back again, and then I'm just gonna tie a knot at the back using the two braids that I pulled out, and there you have your next style. If you want, you can pull out a braid like this, and look at that, look at how that changes everything. For this other style, guys, I'm just gonna divide the front part of the hair by the side like that. Then I'm gonna tuck this. Be gentle with your hair as you tuck, you don't want to pull it off. I'm gonna use a scrunchie to hold this part, then pull out some braids from this side and just hold the hair at the back like that. Then for this hair, we're gonna leave it hanging there, and there you go, that's your next style. Let's move to this next style. Sorry, I'm not mentioning the number, but I'm gonna put the number. For this other style, guys, I'm gonna place my braids like so. Then I'm gonna pick a bandana and just fold it like this. Then turn this side of the hair at the back. And leave some hair at the front like that, and just tie a knot at the back with the bandana, and there you go. For the next style, guys, I'm gonna fold this hair then pull out some braids and then use a scrunchie to hold the braids together, and there you have your next style with a bandana. For the next style, I'm still gonna use the same bandana, but this time I'm gonna place the bandana from behind like this. Then just hold the hair up and tie a knot like that, and I'm gonna pull one braid to just hang there, and there you have it. Next style, I'm gonna make sure the braids are at the back like that. I'm gonna use this scarf, fold it like this, Then tie all the braids like so, and because it's long enough, and then again gonna crisscross it at the back. And there you have the next style, guys. Next style, I'm gonna place all the hair to one side like this. Then again, I'm gonna use the same scarf to hold all the braids from the side. I hope you can be able to see what I'm doing with this style. And there you have it, guys. For this other neck style, guys, I'm just gonna pull out some braids from this side. Again, make sure you are gentle with your hair. Then I'm gonna use a scrunchie to hold this hair. Then I'm gonna make a bun. Use a scrunchie to hold the bun. And there you have it. So back to this style number 1, guys, which I love. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching the different ways on how you can style your braids to just spice up your braids before undoing them. Let your braids not be boring, guys, because you can always use any of the styles that I've shown you to style your braids. And actually all the styles can also be used on very long braids. So I hope this video was really helpful to you. Drop a comment, let me know what's your favorite style. Now you have different ways on how you can style your braids. Don't be limited to short braids only, you can also rock them on long braids, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. I enjoyed doing it. As always, I enjoy your company. I enjoy doing videos for you guys, and yeah, thank you for clicking into this video. If you've watched up to this point, you're such a darling. I love you so much. You are an awesome human being, and so because of that, make sure you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, make sure you drop a comment. I'll be glad to learn a style or two from you guys. Yeah, that's it for now. Make sure to like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. It really supports my channel when you subscribe. Join our little family and let's grow together. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, always remember to be kind, have good intentions, and stay positive. For now, it's a bye-bye. Ciao ciao. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface.